Ever wanted to study art history together as a family, but just weren't sure where to start? This art appreciation program from Beautiful Feet Books might be the perfect fit. This family-style art course takes you on a journey through some of the world's greatest artists and masterpieces, from prehistoric cave paintings all the way through modern art. And honestly, the best part? It's open and go, beautifully organized, and doable even for the busiest families. Before we jump in, let me give you a quick overview of the icons you'll see for this program so you can see the essentials at a glance. Art Appreciation, a Family Study, is written from a Christian worldview. This is reflected in the way beauty, creativity, and meaning are framed throughout the lessons. The teaching style blends Charlotte Mason and classical elements, so you'll see things like chronological learning, living books, picture study, journaling, and rich discussion. Yet it's flexible enough to work with almost any homeschool approach. Teacher involvement falls in the medium range, which just means you'll be doing the readings, guiding discussion, and deciding how many of the optional hands-on activities you want to include for your family. It also is very multi-sensory. Visual learners will love the stunning artwork and videos. Auditory learners benefit from lesson discussion and listening to narrated documentaries and biographies. And your hands-on kids will get plenty of opportunities to create, experiment, sculpt, and even cook. And finally, a digital component rounds out every lesson with a QR code that links to videos, demonstrations, tutorials, virtual tours, and more. Some printable resources are also provided. This program comes as a set of 5 pieces that work together seamlessly. The teacher guide, the book of artists, the art notebook, art card pack, and QR codes within the teacher guide for the printable resource packet and web links. The only extras you will need are for the optional hands-on projects included in the lessons. Typically, these require household items like simple art supplies, paper, markers, crayons, tempera paint, and glue. A lesson-by-lesson materials list makes it easy to gather supplies in advance. Some projects like fresco painting or illuminated manuscripts require more specialty items, but remember, these are optional. The core lessons stand beautifully on their own with the reading, picture study, discussion, and journaling. Everything is thoughtfully designed. Beautiful Feet Books is known for quality, and this pack does not disappoint. There are 64 lessons and a suggested pace of 1 lesson per week, giving you about 2 years of art study. But, and this is one of the reasons families love it, the structure's flexible. You can go faster or slower, select the lessons you most want to cover, and use it with multiple ages easily. The lessons are aimed at grades 5 through 12, but adapt easily for younger kids. An older student could even use this course for full credit in art history. Lessons follow a predictable open-and-go rhythm. The teacher guide breaks each lesson into simple, doable steps. You'll begin with a short reading from the gorgeous hardcover book of artists. Then move into guided discussion with thoughtful questions that help students observe and really look at the artwork. The art card pack makes this easy with 36 frame-worthy 8x10 art prints on heavy cardstock, each with helpful notes on the back. These coordinate with the lessons and help your family encounter over 90 artists and their work across history. They're so beautiful, you might want your own rotating gallery wall. Students then record their thoughts in the art notebook, which adds a layer of reflection and becomes a keepsake for the course. Most lessons include a hands-on activity that connects to the artist or technique you're studying. This is really a chance to discover your own creativity. Everything from perspective drawings and soap sculptures to paper quilts and even, my favorite, delicious recipes. If your family enjoys rabbit trails or you have older kids who want more depth, there are also suggested books and activities you can use to go deeper. And scanning the QR code gives you access to all those wonderful videos that bring it all to life. All of the art in this program is family-friendly. None of the printed materials include adult nudity. Occasionally, a lesson or linked video may reference a work that does, but clearly notes this in the guide so parents can decide. This helps families enjoy rich art without worrying about unexpected content. This course is simple to teach, even if you don't know anything about art or artists. Lesson materials are gorgeous and inviting and work beautifully with multiple ages. This curriculum really feels more like a rich, meaningful journey through art instead of a checklist to hurry up and get done. If you have questions or want help choosing the right art curriculum for your family, we would love to help. I'm Nancie with Rainbow Resource Center. Thanks for joining me, and happy learning!